Derevan Voss here, reporting for scouting mission SM-117-3. It is approximately 0300 hours on Sol 12.73. Halley informed me earlier this morning that EcoSat-2 detected an unusual spike in hydrocarbon readings in the ice caverns around Site 228. I'm heading there now to collect samples with a thermal extractor to determine the cause of the spike. So these were particularly interesting readings due to the fact that we had our exo drillers in this area just last Earth Week. If you ever listen to this, thank you, Lavisa, for sending the robotic drilling team to this site. I know it can be such sweet torture to pull away from that Rovi of yours for 5 minutes to help another human. Regardless, I appreciate it. Although I've had hundreds of these scouting missions since we first landed here on Titan, I haven't found any signs of life beyond simple macromolecules, but I will say that despite my failures, this view never gets old. When I was young, I used to love to sit under the stars and watch meteorites burning up as they entered the atmosphere. Here on Titan, there are certainly no shortage of shooting stars to marvel at. I'm approaching the reading location at Site 228. Do you copy, Halley?
I hear you, Dr. Voss.
Am I closing in on the coordinates of the spike in hydrocarbons?
The spike originated approximately 13.2 meters from the opening of the cavern.
Thank you, Halley. These dang suits always make moving over terrain so difficult. We need to get upgrades. The drillers could have made these openings a little larger. It's impressive how quickly these stalactite formations form from the heat as it dissipates from the drillers.
Dr. Voss.
Yes, Halley.
I said 13.2 meters from the opening of the cavern. Your GPS tag indicates that you have already traveled 15.8 meters.
No need to be rude. I can follow instructions, Halley.
You have arrived at the location of the spike. Don't forget to prime the extraction site 3 times before releasing the thermal extractors.
I know, Halley. Thank you. Sometimes I swear you'll be the death of me. I've successfully collected the samples, and I'm heading back to the ship for analysis. Fingers crossed, Halley.
Fingers crossed, Dr. Voss.